Let's talk about that lead magnet quiz on your website. When was the last time it brought you a genuinely qualified lead? A visitor answers a few questions and gets a bucketed result that kind of fits, but doesn't feel personal and actionable. What if, instead of a gimmick, that quiz became your best salesperson? Today, I'm going to show you how to build an AI coach on MindPal that does exactly that. Let's try turning a static "What's your freelancer archetype?" quiz of a hypothetical freelance coaching company called Acme Corp into a dynamic AI coach that qualifies leads and delivers real value. Okay, here's the AI coach multi-agent workflow I've built in MindPal. It starts with a chat node. This is what your website visitor interacts with, replacing your static quiz with a dynamic one-on-one discovery session. Once the chat is complete, an assembly line of agents kicks in. The full transcript is first sent to our archetype diagnostician agent. This agent's power comes from its knowledge base, which we've loaded with our internal frameworks for identifying client types. Its only job is to make an accurate diagnosis. Next, the transcript and the diagnosis are sent to the Success Blueprint agent. This agent runs on our library of coaching materials and case studies, allowing it to generate a personalized, actionable plan that is 100% unique to our methodology. Finally, the entire history is passed to our Smart Next Steps agent. It uses a knowledge base of our sales processes to analyze the conversation for seniority and urgency, ensuring it provides the perfect, intelligent call to action every time. Now, let's publish this AI workflow so anyone can use it from your website and see it in action. A visitor lands on the page, starts the chat, and engages in a short, conversational quiz. The AI makes it feel natural, like a real discovery call, asking the user one question after another, based on the questionnaire you provided. The moment the user finishes the chat, the workflow runs instantly. Let's look at the run log. We can see here the Diagnose Archetype agent ran first and correctly identified the user as the orchestrator. Next, the Success Blueprint agent used that archetype to build a detailed plan. This isn't generic advice. It's a specific action plan based on our proprietary frameworks. And finally, the Smart Next Steps agent analyzed the conversation and determined this is a high-intent, experienced lead. The output? A personalized call to action. Book a discovery call. So you go from this, a generic, static result, to this, a dynamic, personalized action plan that actually starts a conversation and converts. That's the power of an AI coach, a system for scaling your expertise and qualifying leads 24/7. So take a look at your website. What idle quizzes are sitting there that nobody uses? It's probably time to turn them into an AI coach that works for you.